Alright, so today we are replacing a filter on a Smartvent. So this particular unit is this metal box type housing one. So first thing you want to do is make sure you switch off and unplug whatever the power supply is. So in this case the power point right there, which the power goes to that particular control box. And as you see, there is now no flashing light, so that confirms that that is definitely switched off. So then next thing is undo all these, and as you see I've already undone 3 of them. Then that goes off and stashed with the other ones. Now when you take out these, you want to be careful of this little temperature sensor that's down the back there. So this is going to be interesting trying to do it one hand, but sit it about there. Then as you take this up, you want to rotate the little sensor off to the side at the same time. So lift it up, and then sort of lift this up and out at the same time. And then, ta-da! And the airflow side is, yeah, pretty dirty, but not too bad. I've seen a lot worse. And then you always make note of where the vents are, or the intake. You can't see it clearly, but anyway. And then down there in the darkness is the fan, which again you can't see very clearly, but anyway. But basically the airflow, you want to make sure you put, so we took out the old one that way, so you put it in that way as well. So then so sit this down about halfway. Yeah, so sit this down roughly about halfway, and then that little sensor you want to make sure you put back in. So stick it down the side, so it goes back in like that. And as you see, it sits back down there. And yeah, and now put in, so I'll just stick in just one of them just to show. But yes, that is now all back in action. So I'll do the other 4 very shortly. But yeah, now power on, and as you see, you now have a flashing light. And then in about another 10 seconds or so, the fan will cut in somewhere. Yeah, I heard the relay click, and yeah, 1 fan motor, which is now working. So yeah.